celebration for Blong and Blonga for their last celebration with us for they moved to Colorado. So George Singh, thank you for our friends and family for all coming today to help us, say our last goodbyes to Blong and his family for their move to Colorado. So before we begin, we would like for Blong and his family to come by the cake. We have a special message on there for you guys. Talk on that from memory. So the cake says to
That's what I'm talking about.
journey. Yeah.
He stole his chair.
Yeah, begin a new chapter. Bên to thì copy the khỏi nó nên chia mù, okay? Là cái mua. Does anybody have anything else they would like to say to Blong? And biết tại là thật sự nó mò tới chỉ trời, sau đó nó mò nếu mua ít biết họ đủ hai đô lại thế. Okay, more Jay. Blong, is there anything else to say?
Yeah, thank you. Do nên số nên tụt thế, tôi cho đồ vật chữ first and foremost, đồ vật chữ từ cho bé cho học kế sĩ. Tôi cho đồ vật chữ nếu bố nên số nên tụt là nhau bé đúng nên thế, nếu bố bé số nên tụt là tôi ý kiến nên ok. Thank you guys so much for all the support, all the love, and all the help that you guys have given to our family and our children. We will definitely miss you guys. Bây giờ yuan John này thế, thằng thọ này cho cái ba bé thế, ba cái mình nhỏ thế, chỉ hay cho nhiệt gì, chỉ hay cho rau mò, nếp bún thế ba được bé, and we will always remember you guys and all of your kids and your families and all the brothers and sisters and the youth group in this church and. Thọ vật chữ phòng không còn nên số lên tụt thank you cho cho chị chế thế này chế này số lên tụt và rau mò với họ party công trình not just for us that should all be số lên tụt here. It's definitely a new chapter and a new beginning for our family. Please do continue to pray for us too, okay? So thọ vật chữ đó đại nên thế vật chữ phòng không còn nên số lên tụt.
Okay, yeah. Blong là bé sáng bữa có bài có bài Jay bé new church regeneration church how national but to not be more long gift to các family. Okay.
Oh, thank you so much, guys. What you chose, what you from Komodo needs to me, okay? Thank you, guys.
Okay, just watch Jay. Quite get to just pray the baby. Come on, that.
Cho đồ xin tiệc.
Is it ready? Roasting pig, dog. Somebody missing out today. Where you at, Kevin? Gonna do some shrimp. Deep fry some shrimp today here too. Almost done, right, Pastor? Ooh, look at this pig. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at this. Get up. Gonna put this pig on this right here.
Okay. Put it up. Now.
Okay, for your side, pull it, right?
Yeah, lift up
This-
and then slide out.
This is going on camera.
Okay.
So they dropped the pig. Oh, just like that. Just like that. Yeah.
Thế. Rồi, mì hổ tép, cái trên ra đại no.
Man.
The last year is bigger than that one. This one, 100.
Check out this pig. Check out this pig that I cooked, man.
You didn't cook it?
Only at Coos smoke pit.
Okay then.
Only at Coos smoke pit, dog. Damn, there's no food on the table. What we got here? Rice?
2 hours early.
Man.
Hey, take a before and
Guys,
No, you got yes and more.
Cool Master's Grill right here. Check out this pig. This is one I grilled today. One and only. Make sure you guys check out my fan page. Check out my website. Check out my Facebook page. Check out my TikTok. Check out the church. All right. Hey, what's the church name? What's the church name? No, my church. What's my church name? What? These guys don't know my church name, man. What's your church name?
Shout out to myself and myself only.
Shout out to myself.